header that we built last time's on the car. We're going to be bolting up the Gen 2 overpipe to a ultra quiet front pipe. It's catted and resonated. And then we're going to be connecting that to our 3-inch D2 dual exhaust. See how it sounds. We also have a single exit over here. We're going to throw that on also, see what sound we like better.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna go in the back. Really? What?
I don't know. I'm like, oh, I want the catted header back on here.
This is too loud for you?
I guess the windows are down, so it's... It's a little bit loud. So with the windows up. It's not bad with the windows up. It's a little more bearable. It's deep. It's like a UEL header on a Subaru.
Yep.
I'm gonna re-anodize the tip. It's been kind of sitting around the shop for a while. It's actually gonna change the placement of the logo to on here, and I'll show everybody how we anodize titanium here.
You want to explain the issue we had last time?
I don't really know the issue, exactly what it was. Something with one of the chemicals was contaminated and was clouding and wasn't vibrant, so I ordered some new etching solution in this crack pot, and it's good to go now. Didn't work too well. Wasn't what we were looking for. I have a tip over here, and it's pretty cloudy and just look like crap, more or less. So I'm gonna be taking all the color off this and re-anodizing it, put it back on the single exit, and then we'll get the exhaust back on the car. I like to do the anodizing in batches. Solution for the etching is pretty expensive and it has a limited lifespan. So when I'm doing this, I got like 3-4 more tips for a regular system that we'll do also. We'll show some of that, and then a custom downpipe I've been working on too. All right, we're gonna put it in the etching solution. You'll see the color start to come off after about 10 seconds. You can already see it's changed quite a bit. All right. Straight anodize off, then we're just gonna rinse it in distilled water for that. And we're gonna take this out in the shop and give it a nice Scotch-Brite finish again before we re-anodize it. Got a nice finish for anodizing, so it's be more vibrant. We're gonna wash this acetone and degreaser, and then re-etch it. And then this is when we are gonna apply our decal, or what will be the logo. Decal, straight as I can eyeball it. It's grounded here. This is gonna be a power source. It's there, and then we just dip it in there. This over here controls the volts. There's a range of colors that correlate with a certain voltage. From there, that we can basically pick the look that we want to have to it. I gotta make up my mind here what color I'm gonna do this thing. I guess we could do just like the typical gradient look of from a gold to a blue. It's at, you can see the voltage is at 0 there. We'll increase it to about, you'll start seeing like it'll turn like a gray around 4 or 5. Pretty significantly different than last time.
Yeah.
So no, that's only about 9.5, 10 amps or 10 volts, and we're like a light gold, pretty light gold actually. Working much better than last time. Usually like 11, 12 range gives you like a really nice, like bright gold. Let's see what we got here. We can
Oh wow, that's so bright. Wow.
Pop through.
Oh, whoa. That's crazy.
So it's like a lot more vibrant than we were dealing with last time. We're gonna go further we're gonna keep turning the volts up so that after gold we'll start seeing some purples.
Oh, that looks crazy good. Look at that.
Much more vibrant now. The lighting's horrible in here. But
No, that's good.
like, not the fastest way to do this, but I don't have a laser engraver or anything yet.
Honestly, it looks as clean as a laser engraver.
Yeah, no, it looks. I mean, that one did what it's supposed to.
Ooh.
So the logo's in there all nice and clean, looks polished underneath there, and that's it. We're gonna put it on the exhaust and see how the single exit sounds.
Doing the simple Jack and Jack Sands method.
Yeah. It's too hard to put that lift, so. Luckily they're designed to use the same mid pipe. So essentially that point is that right there. So you can see how the single compares to the dual. And that way we didn't have to remove the mid pipe from the car. We can just unbolt the rear section of the dual, bolt up the single exit.
What other companies offer that? Like none?
I don't think so.
No, yeah, I don't think so.
what it sounds like.
Should be louder or quieter?
It's gonna be louder.
Louder?
A lot louder, I bet you. Quite a bit louder. Is it as loud as yours?
Not even close.
Really?
That's a good thing though.
It's deep though for cold start.
Oh yeah. Is this a cold start?
I mean, it's at 1500 right now.
Yeah.
It sounds really good. Now it dropped down to 800 there, wherever it idles at. So it's pretty reasonable. So I didn't think I would like the single on the last setup I had with a catted header, and definitely I preferred the sound over the dual. That exhaust with the catted UEL was sounding good, but it was a little bit too quiet, I think. Nice for a daily, but I don't daily the car, so I really like the single with the catted UEL compared. So I guess we'll see how it sounds now with the regular catless UEL. Windows are down right now, but it's quite a bit louder than the dual setup.
Yeah.
That real raspy, pretty deep. Take it around the blocks. Might be a little too aggressive for my age, but
oh, I gotta take you out in mine.
It's not too bad.
I wish mine was this quiet.
All right, let's try the windows up, see what it sounds like. A little better.
Oh, yeah.
This truck just pulled out in front of us, so not the type of truck we should be good to run into either.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's the whole yard
It's
of
only
them, too.
propane.
Right? And right behind my shop.
Yeah, you're good.
I thought it'd be a little bit louder, being 3-inch single exit. It's pretty good. It's definitely got a rumble to it. I don't know. I think I could probably drive with it, but I don't drive the car that much. So if it was daily, I would definitely probably do the dual myself. At least until the car is turbocharged, and then I think the single is going to sound great. I'm old now, so. Some A6 content now. Now we're going to turn our attention to the ND stuff. We're going to update to what is our production kit.